Introducing Nota, a compact, versatile PoE amplifier built to simplify and expand networked audio installations. A single cable delivers power, signal, and data. USB-C connectivity enables audio over USB. With its ultra-compact form factor, Nota fits where others can't. Its power density and onboard DSP ensure high-quality audio performance in any environment. The auto setup function matches the impedance curve of the connected speakers and automatically applies a high-pass filter. From single-zone applications to complex networked installations, Nota delivers unmatched flexibility. Nota, the ultra-compact PoE amplifier,